Hi guys, so today we will write a JavaScript program to add numbers without using the plus operator directly, and our output screen will be looking like this. And we had the marquee over the Preetham's code journal, and when we input the integers we'll get the output on the alert box, and then after clicking the OK we will get the background screen as sky blue. Okay, so earlier it was light steel blue and then it became sky blue color. Okay, so let us start writing the code. So first of all, I will start the new text document. We will save this as add.js and extension should be .html. So let us go ahead and do that. So save as type all files so that the extension .html would be saved for the document extension. Okay, so add.js.html. Okay, so now first of all I will have the HTML. Then in head title I will write Preetham's code journal, and then in H1 and H2 I will give JavaScript to add numbers, and in H2 I will write Preetham's code journal. Okay, so let us go ahead. In title let us write the channel's name, that is the Preetham's code journal. So space over here. Okay, so capital J journal. So we'll close the title now, and then H1 JavaScript to add numbers without using the plus operator directly, and I'll give the font size and color too, so we will use style over there. And in H2 also I will use the style, font size and color, but I will also add marquee in the H2. So let us write it down. JavaScript to add numbers without using the plus operator directly. Operator directly. And in H2 I will write Preetham's code journal, and it would be moving on the web page, so I will add marquee too, and I will change the font size and color. So I will use style first, and then inside this I will write the font size and color. So font size, let us say 3em, and color as, let us say, white only, as you saw earlier on the output screen. Okay, so let me just copy paste from here for H2. So I will just add this in the H2 too, and I will add the marquee because I want this Preetham's code journal to move on the web page. So let us do that. So I will write the marquee and I will close it after the H2, so that only this H2 part would be moving. Okay, and marquee spelling should be MARQUE. Okay, now what we have to do is we will have the body. Before that we will close the head, and then we will set the background color as light steel blue. In the body style background, or let us directly write the body BG color light steel blue. Okay, and then I will have the numbers entered. So I'll give the instruction as enter the first number, then I will have the input field, then enter the second number, then another input field, and then a submit button. Okay, so let us do that. So I will first of all have two BR tags so that two lines should be left vacant. Okay, enter the first number. Now I have to make a input box, so input type number, and I will give ID as num1 so that we can access this number entered by user in the JavaScript. Okay, I will have to write the same thing for the second number, so let me just copy paste this two lines, that is two BR tags, so that two lines should be left vacant, and enter the second number instruction to the user, and then I will give the ID of this input as num2. Now I will have a button on clicking which a function would be called in the script. So I will have two BR so that two lines are left vacant and button is shown on the third line. So button on click, let us name that function as Preetham's add.js, and then I will write the instruction on the button, and then we'll close this button over here. Now we will start writing the script. So in script I will have a function. I will get the values of the numbers entered by user in variables a and b. I will also declare another variable as sum, which will be containing the value of a, and then by for loop we will increment that sum, and then we will be getting the summation value inside that sum variable. Okay, so let us proceed ahead. So same name as that of button on click, so Preetham's add.js. Okay, now we will write the function body. So first of all, a equals to document dot get element by id, and the id given to the first number was num1, and we have to get the value, so dot value. We can't directly use a equals to num1 in this. Okay, so num1 dot value, and for b variable, that is for the num2, we have to use the same thing. So let us write b, and then we will paste from above, and then over here I will update it as num2. Now let me declare another variable as sum, so that on the output I can directly give the variables as a, b and summation value. Okay, so sum equals to a, so that a's value won't be changed till the end of this for loop that we are gonna create now. So for I equals to 1, I less than equal to b, that is till the second number, I plus plus means till the second number starting from 1, sum has to be incremented, so that this would be containing the value of summation of both the numbers. Okay, so we can't actually use a plus b, so in place of that we have to make use of this. Okay, so on the output I'll just give the output in the alert box, and we will change the background color too. So alert sum of a and b is equals to the value of the sum variable. So and plus b plus, there should be a plus over here, so plus and equals to, let me remove this is, okay, so equals to, let us give the value of sum now, so plus sum. Okay, so now we have got the output on the alert box. Now I will also change the background color after this output. So let me just write this in comment first. Now let's change the background color after getting the output in the alert box, and we will set that as sky blue. And for changing the background color I have to use document.body, and for that style.background color, and equals to the name of the color that we want. So let me just write this first. So in the alert box, okay, so for changing the background color I will use document.body, means the whole body of the page, dot style dot background color equals to the name of the color. So I will change the color to sky blue, so I'm gonna write sky blue over here, so sky blue. Okay, now we already closed that function. Now we will close the script, the body and HTML too. So script, HTML close, we will close the body too. So let us do that. So over here body close before closing the HTML. Okay, so let me just check this code once. So in place of equals to I wrote colon, in body bg color equals to the color name. So now there should not be any error. Let us start this page. Okay, so we got the correct output. We had the JavaScript to add numbers without using plus operator directly, and the Preetham's code journal in the marquee. So let us input some numbers and click on sum. So we got the output over here in the alert box, values of both the integers and the summation. and after this output we got the background color as sky blue. So we have a simple web page that got the input of both the numbers, and after clicking on some button we got the output on the alert box. So here was the small JavaScript program. So in HTML we got the input from the user in body, the marquee in H2, and H1 was JavaScript to add numbers without using plus operator directly. And in script I wrote the function name same as that on the button on click the function name. So on clicking the button we call that function, and by calling it we got the values of variable a and b. Like the num1 the user entered first number, and num2 the users entered second number, and we have another variable named as sum which was containing the value of a, the first number, and using the for loop we incremented in each iteration the sum variable, and after the completion of this for loop we got the summation of both the numbers inside the sum variable. So in the alert box I wrote sum of a, the variable's value, and b, the variable's value, equals to the summation, the value of this variable sum. And we also changed the background color after giving the output in the alert box. So here was a small JavaScript program to add numbers without using the plus operator directly. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you want me to make a video on particular topic or a program, and I will make one for sure. And if you want to access complete video series on particular topic, then go to my playlist section and you can access whichever language you prefer, and if you practice it with me you will become a pro programmer for sure. And also share my channel with your friends who want to learn new programming languages from scratch. That is, if your friend is not from a coding background, then also if they watch my videos they will learn those coding languages very easily. So see you all in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.